everybody, it's Nina. Thanks so much for joining me today for a new tutorial. And today we're going to be creating some fun Easter tabletop decor, which I think would be a really fun craft project, not just for you, but also to get your kids involved as well. I made sure that these were simple enough that even kids could put these together. And the fun thing is that you can use these for the place settings at your Easter dinner. These are super simple to put together, and I'm using a few of our Simon exclusive products to create these. I'm taking images from both our Eggstra Sweet Easter and the Bunny Wishes stamp sets. These Easter themed sets are super cute. I've stamped them onto white paper and then just used a few Copic markers to color them in very simply. Afterwards, I took one of our nested egg dies and I cut it twice from some yellow Gina cardstock. This is the new Spring Rainbow collection exclusive at Simon Says Stamp. I'm going to cut the bottom off of one of the eggs, just a small little bit. That's going to give me a flat area so that I can adhere these two eggs together to create a card that will stand up nice and straight on the table. I'll score a little bit off of the top of that egg, the same one that has been cut. Add a little bit of adhesive above the score line area, and then layer the full egg on top of that. This is giving us a nice, cute little shaped card, which will stand perfectly on our table and will give us a base to be able to adhere some fun decorations. I did cover each egg with some colored pattern papers from the Echo Park Celebrate Easter collection. I used some sentiments from both the Bunny Wishes and the Eggstra Sweet Easter sets. These sentiments will get layered along the bottom portion of each egg, and I'll add some twine and cute little die-cut eggs from Poppy Stamps onto these as well. Here's some of those eggs I mentioned from Poppy Stamps. These are really cute and so much fun to cut out from different colors of cardstock. I used the Gina Spring Rainbow collection throughout this entire project, and all of these colors work so well together and are perfect for Easter. I popped those eggs up off of one of our nested banner dies from Simon Says Stamp, and I'm going to attach this onto a toothpick after I write the name of the person that I'm going to be placing this at the table setting for. On the back, I'm going to put a little bit of the Ultra Bond adhesive from ThermoWeb into the center portion of the banner. Then using a colored toothpick, I'm going to lay that into the adhesive, and just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere, I'm going to add a layer of adhesive over top of that toothpick, and that will bond together and really form a nice encasement for the toothpick so it's not going to fall off of this banner. It's really sturdy once you add the adhesive on there, and then I can tuck it behind our cute little bunny, and because I attached the bunny with foam tape, the toothpick will just stick right into the dimensional foam tape and hold in place so you don't have to use any extra glue. Now, like I said earlier, this is a great project to do with kids. So maybe stamp out some of these cute little images, cut out some of the eggs, let the kids color and have fun, and they can easily also make these cute little name tags and be part of the Easter celebration as well. These really dress up your Easter table setting, and I think they would be so much fun to put on your table this spring. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you will check out our blog for more information on this project, including still pictures and products used. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more weekly inspiration, and thanks again for stopping by and visiting. I will see you again very soon. Bye!